Here's an excellent way for students with average or limited credit scores to gain experience managing credit. No annual fee, no penalty APR, plus up to 5% cashback rewards in rotating categories up to a quarterly cap with enrollment 1%. Back on other purchases, earn this card an A in our book. Number 1. Discover It. Student Cashback. The Discover It Student Cashback ranks high on our list of credit cards for international students. While the Discover It Student Cashback does not accept individual taxpayer identification numbers from applicants, international students may qualify to receive a Social Security number. For those who qualify, it's a great chance to earn cashback rewards on every purchase with a $0 annual fee. You'll earn cashback, including Discover's signature cashback match welcome offer that will match all the points you earn in your first year. Plus, there are no foreign transaction fees, which is a great bonus when traveling home or anywhere outside the U.S. Despite no foreign transaction fees when traveling abroad, it's important to remember that Discover cards aren't accepted everywhere, so a backup credit card may be required. Additionally, the quarterly rotating bonus categories require activation and have a $1,500 spending cap on your high-end rewards. Unlimited cashback match for all new card members. Only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no minimum spending or maximum rewards, so you could turn $50 cash back into $100, or turn $100 cash back into $200. Earn 5% cashback bonus at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, April 1st through June 30th, 2025, on up to $1,500 in purchases when you activate. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Redeem your rewards for cash at any time. No credit score required to apply. Discover could help you reduce exposure of your personal information online by helping you remove it from select people search sites that could sell your data. Activate by mobile app for free. No annual fee and build your credit with responsible use. 0% intro APR on purchases for 6 months. Then, the standard variable purchase APR of 17.24% to 26.24% applies. Number 2. First card secured. Credit Builder Card with Cashback. The First Card Secured Credit Builder Card with Cashback is a unique option in the category of international student credit cards. This is an upgrade from the no annual fee version of this card that allows your secured deposits to earn a competitive APY and additional cash back on eligible purchases. The First Card Secured Credit Builder Card with Cashback can help you build credit with responsible use while earning elevated interest on your secured deposit. You'll also earn an additional 1% cash back on eligible purchases, all with no hard credit inquiry and no foreign transaction fees. You'll need to open a checking account to qualify, and your spending limit will be equal to the balance in your deposit account. You'll also pay an annual fee of NA for the added benefits of an increased interest savings, APY, and cashback earning. And while the fee-free version of this card doesn't require a Social Security number or ITIN to qualify, users without one on file are not currently eligible to earn interest. International students with a Social Security number or ITIN and little to no credit will benefit from the upgraded perks the First Card Secured Credit Builder Card with cashback offers with a low annual fee. Number 3. Capital One Saver Student Cash Rewards. Credit Card. There's really nothing to lose with the Capital One Saver Student Cash Rewards credit card, since you'll earn cash back on categories important to college students, all for no annual fee rates and fees. In addition to a welcome bonus and ongoing rewards, there's no foreign transaction fee. And, as a MasterCard, you can expect it to be widely accepted in both the US and abroad. Residents and non-residents are welcome to apply as long as they have an ITIN. The high APR could be troublesome for students who aren't prepared for the financial responsibility of a credit card. Best practice is to only charge what you can pay in full each month. The Capital One Saver. Student Cash Rewards. Credit card is a smart pick for students of any age. Anyone currently enrolled or admitted and planning to enroll in the next 3 months at an accredited university, community college, or other higher education institution is welcome to apply. Earn unlimited 3% cash back at grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target, on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, plus 1% on all other purchases. Early spend bonus. Earn $50 when you spend $100 in the first 3 months. Enjoy peace of mind with zero fraud liability so that you won't be responsible for unauthorized charges. Enjoy no annual fee, foreign transaction fees, or hidden fees. Earn unlimited 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through. Number 4. First Card Secured Credit Builder. Card. If the First Card Secured Credit Builder card is actually your first credit card, you're making a decent choice. Compared with other secured credit cards, cards that require a refundable deposit of several $100s to open the account, the First Card offers a low barrier to entry, as well as cashback rewards and several other perks. There's an annual fee to consider, however. People who have been denied credit from other credit card companies may be able to get the First Card Secured Credit Builder card, issued by Regent Bank, because there's no credit check required. Annual fee: $48 to $120 per year, depending on subscription plan. Plans with higher fees offer higher cash back rewards and pay higher interest rates on the money you deposit. Sign-up bonus: none. Rewards: up to 15% cash back at 29,000 partner merchants. Up to 10% cash back on all qualifying purchases. This rate is stackable with other cash back earned. To access this bonus cash back, cardholders must spin the wheel in the First Card Secured Credit Builder card app, which will determine the bonus cashback rate for each eligible transaction. Unlimited cashback of 0.1% to 1% on all purchases depending on the subscription plan you choose. This rate also stacks on the others. No 5. The Secured Self Visa. Credit card 25,000 online bonus points after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. That can be a $250 statement credit toward travel purchases. Earn unlimited 1.5 points per $1 spent on all purchases, with no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, and your points don't expire as long as your account remains open. Earn 3 points per $1 spent on travel purchases booked through the Bank of America Travel Center. Use your card to book your trip how and where you want. You're not limited to specific websites with blackout dates or restrictions. Redeem points for a statement credit to pay for travel or dining purchases, such as flights, hotel stays, car and vacation rentals, baggage fees, and also at restaurants including takeout. 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles for purchases, and for any balance transfers made in the first 60 days. After the intro APR offer ends, a variable APR that's currently 18.24% to 28.24% will apply. A 3% intro balance transfer fee will apply for the first 60 days your account is open. After the intro balance transfer fee offer ends, the fee for future balance transfers is 4%. Balance transfers may not be used to pay any account provided by Bank of America. When handled responsibly, a credit card can help you build your credit history, which could be helpful when looking for an apartment, a car loan, and even a job. Access your FICO score for free within online banking or your mobile banking app. Contactless cards. The security of a chip card with the convenience of a tap. This online-only offer may not be available if you leave this page or if you visit a Bank of America financial center. You can take advantage of this offer when you apply now. The Secured Self Visa credit card offers those with no credit a way to establishing a credit history. Unlike typical secured cards, it doesn't require a steep upfront security deposit or a hard credit check. The minimum deposit is just $100, lower than on most secured cards. There's no hard credit check either. Unlike many other secured options, this card offers a path to upgrade to an unsecured credit card with the same issuer once you can qualify. Most importantly, the card reports payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, which is essential on a credit building journey. There's an annual fee of $0 intro first year, $25 thereafter, and while it has a low security deposit requirement, some credit cards offer the flexibility to set your own amount. Number 6. The Grow Credit MasterCard. The Grow Credit MasterCard helps you build credit through qualifying subscriptions and bill payments you're already making. There's no hard credit check, no interest charges, and a no annual fee option. Depending on which membership plan you choose, you can use the card for $17 to $150 a month in qualifying subscriptions and/or bill payments. Eligible payments include streaming services like Netflix and Spotify, as well as certain wireless phone providers. Your bill must be paid in full each month, so you can't carry a balance and therefore won't pay interest. The card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. This card rates lower than other options on this page because of its limited usability. It can help you build credit, but beyond subscriptions, you can't put so much as a pack of gum on it. There's a plan with no membership fee, but your monthly spending limit with that plan is $17, enough to cover maybe one subscription. Those who can't qualify for the free plan have to pay $2.99 a month plus provide a $17 deposit. To get a higher monthly limit, you'll need to pay a monthly fee of $4.99 for a $50 limit to $9.